We are so happy that, thankful that the mayor of city has hosted, of Cebu City has hosted this Mayor's Night to welcome all of you, all of us, in this very grand event of Palarong Pambansa 2024.
Welcome to Cebu, and rest assured that this time we will take care of you with the genuine Cebuano love, compassion, kindness, and perhaps a little bit of overdose of Cebu's best delicacies.